हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर पैरामीटर्स देखेंगे। RMS वैल्यू ऑफ हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर, RMS वैल्यू ऑफ वोल्टेज, RMS वैल्यू ऑफ करंट, एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ करंट, एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ वोल्टेज, DC पावर, AC पावर, एफिशिएंसी, रिपल फैक्टर और ट्रांसफार्मर यूटिलाइजेशन और यूटिलिटी फैक्टर, ये देखेंगे हम हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर के लिए। हाउ कैन यू कैलकुलेट दीज पैरामीटर्स फॉर द हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, RMS value of current, IRMS value of half wave rectifier, RMS value of current या RMS current of half wave rectifier, as the rectifier works only in half cycle, the output of the rectifier comes in the half cycle, so the waveform is 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi, 3 pi. There is a value of the waveform 0 to 2 pi region, and there is no waveform in the pi to 2 pi, 0 voltage. Or your current, if any value of current you are considering, then take the current. Current is equal to Im sin omega t. This is omega t or theta is the value of the angle, changes with the time, is a sinusoidal waveform. So IRMS, the formula of root mean square value of current is limit 1 upon 2 pi, limit 0 to 2 pi, I square d omega t. The meaning of root mean square is taking the square of the instantaneous value of current, take the average, and thereafter take the under root, give the RMS value of current. So now taking the limit 0 to 2 pi, and then pi to 2 pi, there is no current, so the value of current is 0, d omega t. Now substitute the value of I square 1 upon 2 pi integration 0 to pi, I is Im sin omega t, take the square of this value d omega t. Now integration with respect to angle or omega t, substituting this value of sin I is equal to Im sin omega t, then IRMS is equal to under root Im square by 2 pi, limit 0 to pi sin square omega t d omega t plus 0, and cos 2 omega t is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square omega t formula. You can find the value of sin square omega t 1 minus cos 2 omega t by 2. So substitute in here the value of sin square omega t. This is equal to Im square upon 2 pi, limit 0 to pi 1 minus cos 2 omega t divided by 2 d omega t. This is equal to under root Im square by 4 pi 0 to pi 1 into d omega t minus 0 to pi cos 2 omega t d omega t. Now Im square by 4 pi outside, and integration of 1 is omega t with respect to d omega t 0 to pi, integration of cos 2 omega t sin 2 omega t divided by 2, limit 0 to pi. Now substituting the limit Im square upon 4 pi, this is equal to pi minus 0 minus inside the bracket sin 2 pi minus sin 0, sin 2 pi 0, any multiple of sin n pi 1 2 3 0 is 0, sin 2 pi is 0, sin pi 0, sin 3 pi, any value of integer multiple of sin to the angle with the 0 value. So sin 2 pi 0, sin 0 0, sin pi 0, this value is 0. So IRMS is equal to under root Im square upon 2 pi 4 pi upon pi minus 0. This is equal to Im square by 4 pi into pi. Pi cancel out. Im by 2. So IRMS half wave rectifier Im by 2 and RMS value of voltage is equal to Vm by 2. Now the second is DC value or IDC or I average of the half wave rectifier. IDC is equal to average for 0 to 2 pi divided by 1 upon 2 pi I into d omega t for one complete cycle 0 to 2 pi. Divide the limit into 0 to pi I d omega t plus 1 upon 2 pi limit pi to 2 pi. Value of the current is 0 because in this region or in the second half cycle there is no current and now output. So pi to 2 pi limit is 0. This is equal to IDC is equal to 1 upon 2 pi. Substituting the value of Im sin omega t d omega t, taking Im outside upon 2 pi 0 to pi sin omega t d omega t. Integration of sin omega t with respect to omega t is minus cos omega t limit 0 to pi Im by pi 2 pi minus cos pi plus cos 0. Cos pi is minus 1, so minus minus plus minus minus 1 and cos 0 1. So 2 Im by pi 2 pi 2 to cancel is equal to Im by pi, and this is the DC value of current. IDC is equal to I average is equal to Im by pi. In the similarly the value of DC voltage will be in the similar fashion. You can calculate VDC is equal to Vm by pi. VDC is equal to Vm by pi. This will be the value of DC voltage. Now AC power, third point. PAC is the input power. Pin is equal to IRMS square into RL. IRMS is Im by 2 square into RL plus resistance is total resistance. Total resistance is load resistance plus diode forward resistance plus secondary winding resistance. Im by 2 square into RL plus RF plus RS. This is the AC power. DC PDC or output power is equal to IDC square into RL. IDC is Im by pi square into RL. This is the DC power efficiency, percentage efficiency. You can calculate the percentage as well as efficiency is equal to output power by input power into 100. Output power is this value, input power is this Im square by pi square into RL by into 100 divided by Im square by 4 RL plus RF plus RS. Im square cancel out is equal to 400 by pi square into RL upon RL plus RF plus RS. Take RL common in the new denominator. RL 1 plus RF plus RS. This divided by RL. RL cancel out. Cancel कर देंगे RL को. Then the value of efficiency is equal to percentage efficiency is equal to 400 upon pi square, 400 upon pi square. As RF and RS are very small value and you are dividing large value row division, so this comes very less than 1, neglecting this part. So this is equal to this is equal to 40.8%. This is the percentage efficiency of half wave rectifier. Now next definition is ripple factor. Ripple factor gives the information how much percentage of the AC is present in the DC output. This is denoted by gamma is equal to F square minus 1. F is the form factor. It is defined by IRMS by IDC. It is the ratio of RMS value of current to the average value of current. So IRMS by IDC square minus 1. IRMS is Im by 2. IDC is Im by pi. Im cancel out is equal to pi square by 4 minus 1 is equal to 1.21. The percentage of ripple are larger in the half wave rectifier. So this gives the information regarding the percentage of the AC component present in the output. Output should be pure DC in the rectifier because we are converting the AC voltage into pure DC. Up next point is TUF, transformer utility or utilization factor. Transformer utility और यूटिलाइजेशन फैक्टर TUF बोलते हैं इसको। और यदि रेटिंग नहीं दिया होगा तो TUF दिया रहता है। ट्रांसफॉर्मर जब परचेज करना है तो हम क्या देखेंगे, सेकेंडरी रेटिंग नहीं दी हुई तो TUF दिया होगा। TUF दिया होगा तो हम पता कर लेंगे द व्हाट इज द रेटिंग ऑफ द सेकेंडरी ऑफ द ट्रांसफॉर्मर। ये होता है रेशो ऑफ डीसी आउटपुट अपॉन RMS rating of secondary PDC upon RMS rating of secondary winding के RMS वैल्यू देखेंगे। VDC क्या होता है, IDC स्क्वायर इंटू RL। RMS रेटिंग क्या होता है, VRMS इंटू IRMS। IDC क्या होता है, Im बाई पाई स्क्वायर इंटू RL। VRMS क्या होगा, VM बाई रूट 2, क्योंकि AC में दोनों वोल्टेज दोनों में आता है। करंट आउटपुट पे एक साइकिल में आता है लेकिन सेकेंडरी वोल्टेज दोनों में भी आता है, तो इसका वैल्यू VM बाई रूट 2 होगा लेकिन करंट का Im बाई 2 होगा। और दिस इज इक्वल टू Im स्क्वायर इंटू RL 2 रूट 2 डिवाइडेड बाई पाई स्क्वायर। एंड VM को हम लिख सकते हैं Im इंटू RL प्लस RF प्लस सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग रेजिस्टेंस इंटू Im। सो Im स्क्वायर कैंसल आउट। TUF इज इक्वल टू 2 रूट 2 RL अपॉन पाई स्क्वायर इंटू RL कॉमन ले लेंगे यहाँ तो 1 प्लस RF प्लस RS डिवाइडेड बाई RL। ये वैल्यू 1 से कम होता है तो इसको नेग्लेक्ट कर देंगे तो TUF का वैल्यू कितना आता है 0.286। दिस इज इक्वल टू TUF of half wave rectifier is equal to 0.286 upon 1 plus RF plus RS upon RL। As RF and RS are very small value, RL is very large, so this is less than 1. TUF of secondary wave rectifier is 0.826. 0.286 is the value of transformation utilization factor of half wave rectifier. These are the main parameters of the half wave rectifier.